In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointments in HoneyBook using the Scheduler feature. This process will streamline your appointment booking, making it easier for both you and your clients to stay organized and connected. So let's dive right in. Start by opening your HoneyBook dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Tools section, and from there, head over to Scheduler. This is where you'll be creating and managing all your appointment types. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section as it contains everything you need to get started on booking appointments efficiently. Next, you're going to create a new service or appointment type. Look for the option that says Plus New Service. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to name your appointment type. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the nature of the appointment, like consultation or planning call. Naming it accurately will help both you and your clients understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Once you've named your service, you'll need to decide on the duration of the appointment. Typically, appointments could range anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour or more depending on your needs. Consider how long you usually need to achieve the appointment goals when setting this duration. After setting the duration, the next step is to assign the team member responsible for this appointment type. You'll see an option that asks who should make this call. Here you can select yourself or any other team member who will be taking on the appointment. Make sure you choose someone who is suitably equipped to handle this type of appointment, ensuring your clients have the best possible experience. Now let's talk about setting your availability. You want to make sure that your schedule aligns with when you're actually free to attend appointments. Here, you'll pick specific days and times when you are available. To avoid double bookings, connect your Google or Outlook calendar to HoneyBook. This integration is crucial as it automatically prevents any conflicts, allowing you to manage your time effectively. Finally, you'll want to share your scheduler link. Save your settings, and HoneyBook will generate a unique scheduler link just for you. This link can then be shared with your clients or embedded in smart files or lead forms. By doing this, you're giving your clients an easy and efficient way to book time with you right from the convenience of their own devices. There you have it. You've now set up your appointments within HoneyBook, making scheduling and managing time so much simpler. Remember, a little organization can go a long way in providing a seamless experience for you and your clients. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling.